Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing a delicious mango dessert recipe. In a bowl, add half cup of whipping cream, beat it, add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, mix. Add 1 teaspoon of mango essence, mix well. Add 1/4 cup of mango pulp, mix well. Beat till soft peaks form. In a glass, add 1 layer of the whipped cream, refrigerate it for a few minutes. Add 1 layer of mango pulp, refrigerate it for a few minutes. Follow the same steps to make rest of the layers. In the same bowl, add 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat it. Add a layer of the whipped cream. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Refrigerate this dessert for 2 hours. Delicious mango dessert is now ready. Thanks for watching.